Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Plaid to verify bank accounts for insurance premium payments. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Plaid for verifying bank accounts for insurance premium payments, begin by logging into your insurance provider's website or app. Navigate to the section for payment methods or billing options. Look for the option to add or link a bank account. Select the option to connect with Plaid. You will be redirected to the Plaid interface. Here, choose your bank from the provided list. If your bank is not listed, you may use the search function to find it. Once you select your bank, click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Input your username and password for your bank account. Some banks may require additional authentication methods, such as a security code sent to your phone or email. Follow any prompts to complete the authentication process. Once authenticated, Plaid will request your bank account details. Select the specific account you want to link for your insurance premium payments. Review the details to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. Confirm the connection to finalize linking your bank account. Once connected, you will return to your insurance provider's website or app. Check for any confirmation message indicating that your bank account is successfully linked. You may now proceed to set up or adjust your payment preferences. Make sure to review your payment schedule and premium amounts. After completing these steps, you can enjoy a seamless payment experience for your insurance premiums. If you encounter any issues during this process, check the help section of your insurance provider's website. You may also contact customer support for assistance with linking your bank account through Plaid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.